everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Timpy. I share watercolor tutorial for beginners on my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to paint a pine tree covered with snow, and this is ideal for a Christmas card. If you're looking to make some Christmas card for your friends and family, you must give it a go. This is part 4 of the Christmas card series for 2021. If you haven't checked out the previous parts, I'll put the links in the description down below. As you can see, I'm using a cotton bud and the back side of my paintbrush to apply the masking fluid. This is because masking fluid tends to ruin your brushes when it dries up, so I'd recommend that you do not use a good quality brush for application of masking fluid. For the details of all the materials that I have used for this painting, please check the description down below. Make sure that masking fluid is completely dry before starting the painting. For this painting, you just need a limited color palette comprising of Hooker's Green, Paynes Grey and Burnt Umber. We'll also be using some white gouache to do some splatters later on once we finish up the painting. The most important part in this painting is use of masking fluid, so make sure you do have it. I also run online watercolor classes in smaller groups on a weekly basis where I teach the basics of watercolors, techniques, and provide a detailed step-by-step explanation while I paint along with my students during the lessons. I also provide feedback to help them improve their art. If you would like to know more about these lessons, please DM me on the Instagram or Facebook page. I have put the link in the description down below. Once you're happy with the different layers of the pine tree with the lights and darks, you can now take off the masking fluid, and it's very easy to just scrape it off your paper just by using an ordinary eraser. And now it's time for some final finishing touches. I'd use white gouache for some spattering of paint just to create that extra layer of snow over the pine tree. So our Christmas card with a snow-covered pine tree is now ready. I'm quite pleased with the way it turned out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you've learned something from this tutorial, please make sure you do like, comment and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I will see you very soon with another Christmas themed tutorial, so keep watching this space. Till then, take care. Bye.